Using agent of choice for daycare surgeries, OPD analgesia is propofol. Inhalation agent of choice for daycare surgeries, isoflurane, sevoflurane, desflurane. Inhalation agent of choice for daycare surgeries, OPD is analgesia is alfentanil, remifentanil. MR agent of the choice for daycare surgery is OPD is analgesia is mivacurium, atacurium. Agent used in Beer's block is lidocaine without adrenaline. Agent contraindicated in Beer's block is Bevy vaccine. Earliest Faber blocked in spinal anesthesia is preganglionic sympathetic. Features of high spinal anesthesia is hypotension and bradycardia. Postdural puncture headache is lasts for 7 to 10 days. Postdural puncture headache is due to CSF leak from puncture site. Postdural puncture headache can be minimized by using thin gas needle. Advantage of epidural over spinal anesthesia is duration of surgery can be prolonged. Concentration of xylocaine in spinal anesthesia is 5%. Mallampati grading is used for assessment of oral cavity before intubation. Position for endotracheal tube, flexion at neck and extension at atlanto-occipital joint. Home fan degradation is related to atacurium. Anesthetic agent which can be given safely in renal and hepatic failure is atacurium. Anesthetic agent which shows second gas effect, deficient hypoxia, nitrous oxide. Stages of anesthesia were documented by Goodale. Surgical anesthesia is a stage of third. Inhalation anesthetic agent which may cause postpartum hemorrhage is allothane. Inhalation anesthetic agent which may cause bronchodilation is allothane. Inhalation anesthetic agent which may cause hepatitis is allothane. IV anesthetic agent which does not cause pain in IV administration ketamine. Emergency hallucination is related to ketamine. An IV anesthetic agent which contains egg extract is propofol. IV anesthetic agent which causes cerebral vasodilation is propofol. IV anesthetic agent which is cerebroprotective is propofol. IV anesthetic agent which causes postoperative vomiting is propofol. IV anesthetic agent which can be given in porphyria. IV anesthetic agent which is contraindicated porphyria, phenobarbital and methotrexate.